Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Royal Bank of Scotland bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL personal.rbs.co.uk. Once you get into the website, click on the login button at the top left of the page. So then you'll be headed to this page where you'll need to enter your personal information that you used to log into your Royal Bank of Scotland account. So you can either enter your customer number or card number. I'm gonna choose customer number here. Once you enter your information, click on continue and you'll be headed to the further process where you need to enter your passcode. And once you do that, you'll be logged into your Royal Bank of Scotland account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Royal Bank of Scotland bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.